my dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing great, staying safe at your home, studying regularly. Okay, I'm back again with the new topic of your grammar book, verbs. So I request you all to open page number 41 of your grammar book, verbs. Okay, so what do you mean by verbs? A verb is a word used to express an action, state or possession. I'm teaching you. You are listening to me. These all are actions we are performing right now. I'm snapping my fingers. I'm doing an action. What action I have done? Snapped my fingers. Yes. So whatever we are doing is an action. State of an action. A verb is important. Why it is important? Because a sentence cannot be a proper sentence without using a verb. Yes. If I say, I to the market, is it a correct sentence? No. If I say, I'm going to the market, yes, it is the correct sentence. It's making some sense. Okay? The sentence which makes sense with the help of a verb is known as the correct sentence, or you can say a verb is the word used to express an action, state of being or possession. Clear? So, now I will discuss verbs that denote being. Open page number 42 and look into the book. The words am, is, are, were, being, been are different forms of the verb be. They tell us what a person or thing is. What they tell us about a person or a thing. For example, I'm reading. What the sentence is telling? That I'm reading. And yes, I'm reading right now. Okay. They were busy. Were. Here verb is the main verb. We have not used main verb, but we have used helping verb as the main verb. Clear? Verbs that denote be. Now come on to page number 43. We will discuss verbs that denote belonging. Belonging means possession. मेरा, I, ओ, ये चीज़ मेरी है. This book is mine. Belonging ये मेरी है. Correct? So the words has, have and had show belonging or possession when used as main verb. Yes. जब हम has, had, have को as a main verb use करते हैं to show belonging. See the examples. I have a new toy. मेरे पास नया खिलौना है. मेरा है ना, possession. My. She has a younger brother. उसका एक younger brother है. They have a big blue car. बहुत बड़ी सी blue car है उनके पास. I had a long skirt. मेरे पास long skirt हुआ करती थी. Clear? Now, what you have to keep in mind, just look into your book, the box, the word have also means to eat or to experience. He has 7 almonds every morning. We had a great time yesterday. The verbs has, have, had are used as helping verbs. Now they are acting as helping verbs. Earlier they were acting as main verb. With main verb in a sentence. I have finished my work. मैंने अपना काम ख़त्म कर दिया. Have क्या हो गया? Helping verb. Finished क्या हुआ? Main verb. I have finished my work. Clear? Good. Now it's time to discuss subject verb agreement. So let's read from the book. Every sentence has a subject and a verb. हर सेंटेंस का सब्जेक्ट होता है और वर्ब होता है. द सब्जेक्ट एंड द वर्ब इन अ सेंटेंस मस्ट एग्री इन नंबर. वॉट दे आर टेलिंग दैट सब्जेक्ट हैज़ टू एग्री विद द वर्ब. इफ द सब्जेक्ट इज सिंगुलर, वर्ब शुड बी सिंगुलर. लेट्स सी द एग्जाम्पल. रानी इज कमिंग आउट ऑफ द रूम. हियर वी हैव यूज्ड विच वर्ब? सिंगुलर वर्ब इज, because Rani subject is singular. Now turn the page. If the subject in a sentence is plural, the verb should also be plural. Rani and Raman are coming out of the room. Now, what they are telling, if the subject is plural, automatically verb should be plural. Clear? Subject verb agreement. Okay. So, I hope everything is clear to you now. What are verbs? Being, possession, subject, verb, agreement. So we'll meet again next time from my side. Bye. God bless you.